Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my 3 favorite cruelty-free highlighters. So this is going to be like a quick little video on the highlighters that I've been loving lately. So I just want to start off with an affordable option that you can find at the drugstore or Target or anywhere you can find Milani. So this is one of their strobe light highlighters, and this is in the 01 Afterglow. So it's the lightest one, as you can see. It's pretty light, and it has this really gorgeous wave detail printed into the highlighter, which I thought was really pretty. Now, if you have seen these in the store, you'll know that all of the highlighters from this line are very, very intense. So you can really get a really strong highlight glow if that is what your goal is. So I don't want to look like full-on glow highlighter in your face every day because I work in an office and I'm just a working mom, wife, you know, so I don't need to look glam every day. But this is really nice if you use a light hand as well, and it just like gives you that really healthy spring summertime glow that I love. And I think it was about $10, and of course you can always try to find a sale on Milani like at Walgreens or CVS, and then you could get it even cheaper. I love that it does not emphasize any texture on my skin. I do have laugh lines up here on the sides of my eyes, of course, as most of us do, and it doesn't look good if I put the highlighter too high up. Like I pretty much like stick to this area right here and my Cupid's bow, and it looks gorgeous. Next has been a favorite of mine for such a long time, and it is the Anastasia, I cannot say it, Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter from the contour kit. This is the light medium contour kit, and I think I bought this before they had 2 different contour kits. So mine doesn't say light medium, but I looked at the website and the colors that I have are in the light medium. So this is a really well loved palette, so I'm just gonna dust it off a little bit before I show it to you. So obviously there's a bronzer row and a highlighter row, and it's pretty obvious which highlighter I use the most. This is the highlighter in Sand, and it is so pretty. This is just like a really easy to use highlighter. It has a lit from within kind of glow, like you're not gonna look chalky, or it has glittery, a much more warmer undertone than the Milani one. It melds better with my foundations because a lot of the foundations I use tend to have a warmer undertone, even though I prefer a neutral undertone. So it just adds a little bit more to the foundation that I'm wearing. It's great. This is a $40 contour kit, and I think it's worth every penny. The powders, just as a side note, regarding the entire palette, all of the powders have lasted such a long time. I haven't hit pan, and I use these things almost every day. I would say 5 out of 7 days of the week. Last but not least, my most recent highlight favorite, new love in my life, I love this, is the Exo Beauty, I'm gonna say the name right, Radiant Glow Highlight Powder in Aurora. And this is a more cool toned highlighter. You'll see on the swatch. It's kind of like a more natural version of the Milani one, which I really like. This one's gonna be a little bit harder to see, but you can kind of see like the stripes, like that was the golden tone of the ABH one, and then this is the Aurora one. And on my hand, it doesn't look like much, but I'm wearing it, let me just cover my grin. I'm wearing it today, and as you can see, it's a really good everyday highlight option that is just amazing. So I really love this one. It is 100% worth the price. It comes from New Zealand, so it depends on the exchange rate, what the price is gonna be, but it doesn't vary that much. Like I think it was about $26. So you're talking about like the $25 to $30 range kind of highlighter. So this is gorgeous. You can barely see that I've used it. I mean, I've used it so much and you can barely tell. It's so finely milled. It doesn't look chunky on your skin. It's literally just like lit from within. I mean, it just looks like I have like a natural glow to my skin, and I love it. This is also a great one to use if you're having like a no makeup day and you want to just kind of like brighten your complexion a little bit. You know, sometimes like powders just look better over foundation. This is just one of those things that looks good on my skin if I'm not wearing makeup as well, which is really great. Like adding just a little bit of highlighter on a no makeup day is a really easy way to add a little bit extra glow to your skin. So I hope you enjoyed hearing about my favorite highlighters. I would love to know what yours are. I only shop cruelty free, so if you have any cruelty free highlighter options that you love that I should try, let me know down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.